Okay, by now you should already know how amazing the OPPO Find X8 series is, with great camera, great zoom, great AI features and much more. But not many people are actually talking about how tough the device is. So here I am with the OPPO Find X8 Pro. We are going to test its toughness in this video. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So let's divide this test into 3 sections, okay? The first one, water resistant. Second, hardware toughness. And last one, heat. So as you can see, even inside the water, okay, it is not just water resistant, but we can easily capture photos and content as well with the quick button on the side, because we don't even need to press on the screen because got button on the side, so much easier. Even when the screen is wet, okay, we can still use the phone like normal because it has splash touch technology, allowing us to navigate around the UI like normal even when the phone or the screen is wet. And that also means if you want to shower, if you want to go for a water outing, you can also use the phone to do everything you want, no problem. Now, let's see if the screen will break or crack under pressure. It's time for drop test. Placing it around my waist, I'm gonna drop it like I pretend that the phone slipped out of my pocket. Let's go! So as you can see, the Find X8 Pro still works like normal. So next challenge, let's try the display. The Corning Gorilla Glass 7i adds toughness to the phone. Even with these challenges, the phone looks normal. Okay, last challenge. Time to put the Find X8 Pro into heat. After 30 minutes of being in the sauna, the X8 Pro works efficiently. Camera is fine, screen is fine, all is good. So there you go, toughness challenge on the OPPO Find X8 series that nobody is talking about on YouTube, okay? Thank you very much for watching, and that is all for this video. If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop. I'll see you in the next video. Yo.